What it do, man? It's your boy Sci-Fi the Chemist checking in for a Good Morning Bars episode 3 with the acapella flow. This right here called Miss Right. I seen you swagging through the mall in the 407. Black hair, brown eyes, 5657. Excuse me, miss, tell me what's your name. Some call me Psy, but you can call me Dre. Nice hips, cute lips, smile, blow me away with your fly red dress. Yeah, I'm feeling obsessed. Now that we are acquainted, tell me what's next. When I say that I want you, it ain't just for sex. Long walks on the beach, just me and you. No bullshit, mommy, this right here the truth. We can go on a date, what you doing tonight? Body kissed by the sun and your makeup bright. Looking sweeter than some cake, can I get me a slice? Let me know what's on your mind, shout to be precise. Short days, long nights, chilling under the stars. One in a million, shout yeah, that's what you are. Stand out from the rest in the league of your own. Man, these other girls fly, shout you been flown. I be your knight in shining armor, Superman with the cape. Tell me where you wanna go, shout we can escape. Let's do the unthinkable, no Alicia Keys. Have you staying up late, waking up in my teas. I'll be the best you ever had, that's a guarantee. Deep diving in that pussy, call me Scuba Steve.